Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. So in today's video we are going to do our own seedlings for sweet chat. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my own seedlings for sweet chat, and when we're going to transplant, where we're going to sell. So it's going to be another series of Makwala Agri of studying the seedlings until we sell, until we access the market. So in this video I'm gonna try and sell my spinach at Boxer supermarket. So join me on this journey as I'm gonna try all the steps with you and showing you if it is possible or not to actually supply the big retailers with our spinach. So right now let's get to the way. So in my hands here I have a seedling tray that I'm going to be using. It actually accommodates about 200 and something seedlings, and this is the Swiss chart that I'm going to be trying to do seedlings for. So we are going to put soil inside our seedlings tray and then place our seedlings and let it actually germinate the seeds. So we're gonna we wanted to germinate our own seeds.
1 week into trying to do our own seedlings, and we're still seeing nothing coming out. There's no seedlings coming out, and our soil looks rough, guys. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it here. Those soils looks like it's stiff. So we try to keep it wet. So your soil must always be wet, must not let it be dry. So because when it gets too dry, obviously there's nothing that will come out. So every time we try to keep our soil wet. But guys, I'm not sure if we're gonna make it here. Because this was about like 2 weeks.
So this marks like week 4 since we started to try to germinate our own seedlings. And I'm here to conclude today that we failed. So the series failed, guys. So let's check what happened. No, it's not a seeds, that one. We failed to germinate our own seedlings, guys. I failed. I accepted today that I failed to germinate my own. Oh god, there's no seeds in these things, guys. Yeah, I was trying to germinate spinach seedlings and then seeds to seedlings. So yeah, I was trying to germinate seeds from 2 seedlings so that I can plant spinach. But unfortunately, guys, yeah, no, we failed. I accept. I failed. we will buy we'll buy the soil to do the seedlings, guys, and then try it again. But with our own soil, I have failed, guys. I failed. No, guys, we have failed. There's nothing here. There's nothing coming out here. We failed, guys. No. They didn't work out. Nothing. Yeah, I conclude today that here's a seed. They didn't germinate. So I conclude today that, guys, I failed. On this video, I failed. Yeah, you can, guys, see that I cannot make my own seedlings. I'll keep on buying, but I'll keep on trying to make another video of me trying to grow my own spinach from seeds to seedlings. It's the final product. Yeah, no, this is our seeds, guys. See, they didn't germinate. We failed. I have failed. If you're with me on this one, you also failed. Yeah, we failed, guys. We failed. So things didn't work out.